Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPad encounters problems while charging, such as suddenly not charging or only charging when turned off, don't worry. This video will help you solve this issue, so let's get started. Method 1. Check the charging cable. You need to make sure there are no foreign objects or moisture in the charging port. Try using a different charging cable. If the iPad still does not charge, it may indicate a hardware problem, and you might consider trying some system repair methods. Method 2. Force restart iPad. Let's first try a force restart. This is a simple and safe procedure that can be done without losing data. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Continue charging your iPad to see if the issue persists. If the charging problem continues, proceed to the next method. Method 3. Reset all settings. This process can sometimes resolve persistent charging issues. To do this, go to the Settings app, find General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPad. From there, select Reset and then tap Reset all settings. This will reset the personalized settings and preferences on your device without affecting your data. If this method still does not solve the problem, it may indicate a system issue that requires system repair using a computer. Method 4. Use UltFone iOS System Repair to repair iPad. UltFone iOS System Repair is an all-in-one repair software that can solve over 150 iOS issues, including charging-related problems. You can download UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer through the provided link. First, connect the iPad to your computer, then press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally long press the power button until the device enters recovery mode. Then open UltFone iOS System Repair and click the green Start button in the System Repair area. To repair the device without losing data, select Standard Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair will automatically download the appropriate firmware to repair the iPad. The download speed depends on your network connection. Once the download is complete, click Start Repair to begin the system repair process, which will scan and fix any issues. This method is efficient, simple, and safe, and your iPad will return to normal after the system repair is completed without any data loss. Method 5. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next program.